Hi, in this lecture I am going to draw a rectangular shape in the CST Studio. This shape has a width of 4 along the x-axis and length of 4, and the height and thickness is 0.5. Now open your CST new templates and then select the microwave and then click on next several times until you reaches to the finish button. Now I am going to assign a rectangular shape in this section. To do so, go to the modeling and click on the brick and then press the escape to exit. Name it as rect, and these are the coordinates. In this unit, the position along the x-axis is 4. Along the y-axis is also 4. And the height is 0.5. Now assign variable for this. If you want to assign variables, then write W for width and also write L for length and edge of the for the height, H for the height. As you can see, this is shifted. Click on OK, then press space. To see the preview of it, I will click on H, small h here. Then to see the preview, I will assign 4 to the width W, which represent width of the material, and then I will assign 4 to the length of the material. L represent the length, and then click on OK. I will also assign the height. H represent the height, which is 0.5 here. So I will write in the description is height and press on OK. As you can see that this is in the positive axis. I want to shift this material to the origin, so I will assign negative axis to the minimum value and minus W by 2 to the positive x-axis value. Similarly, for the y-axis, I will shift half to the negative axis, so I will write minus L by W at the minimum side, and I will write plus L divided by 2 at the positive y side. So make a preview of it, and you can see that this has been shifted, so it is fine. Now click on OK and then press the space. It would be an active view of our shape. So our rectangular shape is drawn. Then if you want to change the color of this shape, this section, then click on this and then click on the right and then change the material and color. I am interested in changing the color. Click on this. These are some of the colors, and this one I make this one, and in the figure you can see the color. Click on OK, and now I can. So this is a 3D diagram figure of the rectangular shape. If you want to check these dimensions, then press S and double click on this. This is fine, and then press D for selection, and now again press S and double click on this. You can see this is fine. Okay, select D for selection and then rotate it again and press S. Double click on this is 0.5. Press D. You may also check the coordinates from picking point. So click on pick points, and if you want to check the position between the 2 points, and double click on this and again pick 1 point, double click on this. So this shows that the position between these 2 points is 4. So this is clear. Pick again. So now I'm interested in checking the other end. So now double click on this and again pick 1 point, click and double click on this. So the distance between these 2 points is also 4. So this is fine. Click clear pics, and then if you want to check the distance between these 2 points, the height, then again click on point, double click on this, and then again pick one point, double click on this. This would show that the distance between these 2 points is also 0.5. So this is fine. Clear pics. So our shape is drawn, and we have learned that how we draw a rectangular shape in CST Studio.